Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to help you do the revision of passives. Right? In class 11th we had long time taken by us to go through study of passive voice, different ways. Okay, so I will help you do the revision of the passive today. So today I will help you know or revise the art of multiple passives. Right? Multiple passives. You please take it as a revision. It is very helpful eventually, that will help you in writing and speaking time. Okay, multiple passives. So what happens? When a sentence or expression start to produce multiple passives, it all depends on types of the verbs used in it. Got it? So it always supports the idea of types of verbs in a sentence, right? That we always differentiate. Differentiate is finite, right? Second, non-finite. So I will justify this with an example. Okay? So please read or write the example with me. This work is expected to be done in the clear copies of grammar. Okay? Read the example and write the example with me. We wish. We wish people to consider us. So do one simple thing. Compare the two verbs used by me. First, wish. Second, to consider. And no need to say out of these two verbs, which is finite and non-finite respectively. Okay, let us connect wish to finite verb. This is called finite verb because this verb is expected to change when there is change in type and type of the verb. Got it? Look at second verb, to consider. I call it non-finite verb. You know why? Because this remains unaffected by the change in time or the type of the verb. It remains unaffected and unchanged. So if we rewrite it in passive voice, as I told you, such sentences with two passives produce multiple passives because they have two verbs, right? So look at the first passive voice. It will be people are wished. It's very simple art. Wish gets replaced with are wished. Relation, correlation. Compare wish or are. They both refer to the first forms of the verbs. That's why. So people are wished to consider us. No need to include subject here. You will be trying to find out where the subject has gone. Okay, now subject is actually obvious. This is helping us to know obvious subject. What it refers to? It refers to me. That's why I'm not including wish by wish. By us. A second passive voice, if you look at, this will change only the non-finite into the passive voice. This we will change into passive voice. How? You will write we wish. We wish. Looking at the second part, people to consider us. For second part, people acting as subject. To consider is the work done by people. Us, we receive the work done by people. So we will bring this object us in the place of subject people, that will replace it. People will be replaced by us. We wish us to be considered. Okay, very simple. Infinitive, to consider. Yes. Now we are doing the last example of the passive of same sentence, same expression. Okay, so what we do here, we simply transform both finite and non-finite into their passive forms all together. If it is done, it will be read like we are wished to be considered by people. This way, one particular sentence produces three multiple passives, okay, without doing any change in the meaning or expression. It remains same. Only one thing we do, we get the active replaced with the passive voice, and it has three examples because it has two verbs used by me. So this is the end, and I want and I hope you to copy the same example. Moreover, you will have to add 4 more examples of similar multiple passives in your notebooks. Right? Thank you.